Panini just released their limited edition golf cards. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Are you a fan of golf? I know I like golf. Watched a lot of PGA when I was growing up. Went to some live tournaments recently. But one of the things that I have really loved is Bryson DeChambeau. I've liked him for many years because he was just such an innovator in golf, and certainly his stock has been rising. Now he is a legitimate, bona fide golf superstar, but I liked him long before he was kind of like a celebrity and a YouTuber. But one of the things that he has is the Crushers golf team, and I like them, mostly because of Bryson. But Panini, a company that makes a lot of sports memorabilia, has issued these limited edition trading cards, so just like baseball cards that I used to have as a kid. And what's interesting is I pre-ordered these, and mine says 1 of 150. So did I really get the first set of these limited edition cards? That's pretty cool. It also might mean that they're not in super high demand. I don't know. Or maybe I was just super fast about ordering them. But I thought we would take a look at them and see what you get. All right, here's the case of cards. They put a little scotch tape to close it up. I used my little screw knife pocket knife here to cut the scotch tape. I kind of wish they'd just put a rubber band around it or something because it's not that easy to get open otherwise. Now I can get this open. Comes nicely packaged, a little foam there. But here are the cards. And what I am loving about this is now I get to see my favorite players all the time. There's Bryson DeChambeau, BD right there, Paul Casey, Charles Howell III, and Anirban Lahiri right there. He has had himself quite a year, but you get obviously a team card here. And on the back, it says number 11, 2024, all those guys aptly named Crushers. You know, there is my number there. There is a little bit of like a hologram or something on the back of there, or I'm not sure if it's a watermark. Kind of see it in the reflection there. So that's pretty cool. I actually don't mind the name Crushers, but I'm not actually a big fan of the logo. Kind of wish it were something a little more modern or minimalist or sleeker that I wouldn't mind wearing on a hat. I mean, I'd wear it, but it's just not necessarily my favorite logo. There's a BDC right there. Sets tone for the Crushers, 2024. Man, he has had just an unbelievable year. Again, 1 of 150. So that is on all of the cards there. I thought it was maybe just the one of them. There's Paul Casey, a little glamour shot. They all have that little hologram watermark on the back. Howell, model of consistency. I do like the look of the cards. It's got that same live type of look. And try not to smudge them up with my fingers there. Anirban, I think that's such a funny name, but funny in a good way. You know, like big bad wolf in the neighborhood. Not bad as in bad, but bad as in good. So, you know, funny as in good. And Anirban, oh, and yeah, I did get the first set here. And this one just is the logo. Just kind of funny. All right. 72. Pretty cool. So if you want to pick up these cards, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.